Welcome to Spyder Auto's projector headlight installation guide for the Ford Mustang. Before we get started, you'll need a 5.5 and 10mm socket, Phillips driver, and a panel popper. Check out how Spyder projectors change the look of your Mustang. Start by opening the hood. Remove the 6 plastic retainers that secure the filler panel. Remove the filler panel. Now remove the two 10mm bolts that secure the fascia on either side of the grille. Remove the 3 Phillips screws that secure the fender liner in the wheel well. Peel back the fender liner and then remove the two 10mm nuts securing the fascia at the wheel well. Then remove 4 5.5mm bolts securing the fascia to the under tray. Pull down on the corner of the fascia to unseat it from the fender stud. Release the fascia retainer tabs. Now you can unseat the fascia. Disconnect the turn signal harness. Then disconnect the fog light harness. Now you can remove the fascia and set it aside. Remove the plastic retainer securing the headlight. Then remove the two 10mm bolts securing the headlight from below. Now remove the 10mm bolt securing the headlight. Be sure to support the headlight as you remove the final bolt. Unseat the headlight. Then disconnect the headlight harness. Locate your Spyder headlight. Your beam adjuster is shown here and is a Phillips head. For information on how to wire the halos and more, see the Spyder FAQs playlist on the Spyder Auto YouTube channel. Connect the headlight harness. Seat the Spyder headlight. Reinstall the 10mm bolt that secures the headlight. Reinstall the plastic retainer. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts to secure the headlight from below. Reconnect the turn signal harness. Reconnect the fog light harness. Seat the bumper fascia, being sure to seat the edges onto the stud. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts on either side of the grille to secure the fascia. Replace the filler panel. Reinstall the 6 plastic retainers that secure the filler panel. Then reinstall the two 10mm nuts that secure the fascia in the fender. Reinstall the 3 Phillips screws to secure the fender liner. Reinstall the 4 5.5mm bolts that secure the fascia from below. Now just close the hood and you're done. Congratulations, you fitted your Mustang with a set of modern projector headlights from Spyder Auto.